3 tricks to make a preliminary judgment for fire alarm communication failure. First, check the power supply. When the main power fails, see if the distribution box has tripped. If the backup power is abnormal, long press the test button. If the battery icon flashes on the display, it means that it needs to be charged continuously for 24 hours. Second, look at the network wiring. Take a multimeter to measure these 3 key data. Bus resistance less than 500 ohms. Communication line resistance less than 10,000 ohmega. Ground resistance less than 5 mega. Any of these make a system failure. Focus on checking whether the metal components of the ceiling are well grounded. Thirdly, the detector frequently reports false alarms. Remove it and reinstall it. If it still gives false alarms, maybe the interface board or detector is aging. Replace interface board firstly to try. For the problems such as bus short circuit, isolate the fault points from the system.